If you're needing to clean up crosstalk from your recording, well, here's an easy way to do it that's inside the new Riverside editor. If two people talk over each other in your recording, you don't always have to leave it that way. Inside the editor, you can expand your tracks so you see each person's audio separately. We can do that by just coming over to this tab and hit separate tracks, or you can hit Shift E, and that will separate the two tracks of each person in the recording. Then you're going to want to find the section where the crosstalk happens. For me, that's somewhere around this point. So I'm just going to zoom in. You can see that our waveforms here kind of overlap each other. We can split around this moment and move that part slightly so the conversation has a little bit more flow. So if we hit S, we can split this section right here, come over here, split this section as well by hitting S. We can actually also split our scene. So then we kind of have this separate scene here. So in this section, we can actually see that our subject on the left is the one that's speaking the most. So what we could do is actually change this so that Bridget is our full frame. So now she's the full frame. And so in this section,
it's been banned for like 2 years.
I don't know if you did. Oh, maybe you did.
And then maybe right here, we can actually come back and bring it back to a different layout instead. So then we have
oh, maybe you did.
If you need to, you can also come in here and you can mute the separate tracks. So maybe we don't want to hear me. So we can actually just hover over these three dots right here and bring down the volume of that section.
I think I mentioned this.
You can adjust the layout so the visuals still match the conversation. And this makes the edit feel a lot cleaner without needing to re-record anything. Crosstalk happens naturally within conversation, but sometimes it can be a little distracting, or you can overlap each other too much so that you don't know what's actually being said. And being able to customize each track separately can help you make that section more clear. I hope you found this quick tip helpful inside the new Riverside editor, and we can't wait to see what you create.